guys, running Kimono here, and even before we dive into the awesome Ibotta Walmart haul, we're going to talk really quickly about the Fetch Rewards app. If you're buying groceries or anything, you photograph your receipts to this app and you get points towards gift cards. It's that simple. For new signups only, when you download the app, use my referral code and photograph your first receipt. It could be a pack of gum that you bought last week at the Dollar General. You're going to be given 2,000 points or $2. It's that easy. And if you're an extreme couponer, you're probably sitting on a mountain of receipts. So start photographing them, and once you hit the $5 mark or 5,000 points, you can get a Starbucks gift card. That is the beauty of this app, and you can really start building your points quickly. And just to show you, a couple weeks back, I bought some Tresemme over at Walgreens. I got 160 points. It's a terrific app. Check out the link in the notes, and don't forget to use my referral code at sign up. Again, this is for new signups only, that extra 2,000 points, but it is a tremendous app. I know a lot of you are very invested in the story of Pumpkin. What has he been doing? Quit smoking, believe it or not. And I got him this cute little hat to encourage him to be smoke-free, and he immediately threw it away. But he's asking if you could possibly give this video a quick thumbs up. Helps out with the YouTube algorithm and all that stuff. And it also makes Pumpkin really happy. And he's been smoke-free, guys, for the last day. So anyhow, guys, please give this video a big thumbs up. So in today's video, we're going to talk about Walmart and Ibotta, and I bought a bunch of items. I think I completed 14 rebates here, and some of these were done over a couple of days. But I completed all of this for part of, like, I had some sort of like I think it was like 20 rebates get $5. It was like some weekend warrior thing. So I also am part of this other one. It was like I think it's complete 30 get back 10, but I have till like next week to finish. So I'm hoping that this week sometime that something might pop up for me, just so I can get a little bit of extra money, because I'm greedy. Greedy for Ibotta money. So I'm going to show you exactly what I did. We have some new offers and some old faithfuls, and it's just really fantastic. But before we do that, let's have a quick little weather report. Hi to my mom if she's watching. It's about 80 today, so kind of a hot one, and I hope she's doing great. Okay, so if you are using the app Ibotta, the rebates that are the biggest and the greatest are at Walmart, because Walmart is like the biggest store here in the US. So the two are married, and there's a lot of deals and steals to be had and found over there. So the first deal that we're going to talk about are with these 5-star folders. So they're found in the back to school section over at Walmart. You could even put your inserts here, carry that around, and look like the professor of couponing anytime. These little guys are 97 cents. I'm joking around, guys. So 97 cents each. You have to buy 2 of them. So that's $1.94. Ibotta is giving back $1 when you buy 2 5-star products, and these qualify. Okay, so after everything was said and done, this is free, plus $1.56 money maker. So how fantastic is that? Little school supply sort of deal is with these Bic Gelosity pens. So this is a little 6-pack. They are $5.88 each. Unfortunately, we don't have a coupon for that. So for 2 of them, it's $11.72. There is a $9.45 rebate back on Ibotta when you buy 2 of them. Oh my gosh, that's fantastic. So it shakes out to $2.31 for the 2, or $1.15 each. So how fantastic is that? And these look like really nice pens, so I'm excited to use them. Another big deal, and I think this one might have expired on the weekend, is with the Bic Soleil razor. This guy is $3.27. We had a $3 razor rebate, so it made it 27 cents after everything was said and done. Okay guys, so this next one is really weird. It is with the Snuggle and then the Renews It cones. And this is the company called Henkel. And if you look at the coupon at the top, it says cannot be redeemed with any other offers. You know, I'm thinking like stacking 2 coupons. However, in the second deck of the coupon, it says that it can't be used with rebates, and Ibotta is a rebate app. So sadly, I had the time to actually read the coupon because it was such a long line for self-checkout when I was shopping at Walmart, and I looked at that and I'm like, I've never seen that before. And then I went, and the Renews It cones also had the same sort of writing. So guys, to just avoid any sort of trouble, I'm going to say to forego these coupons. But I mean, honestly, how often do we do Renews It or the snuggle deals? Like very slim. So unless it's with like a digital manufacturer and it doesn't have this sort of strict verbiage, I would just pass on it altogether, because this company, they're called Henkel, and it's Renews It, Snuggle, Renews It, and then Persil. Those are the top ones. They're really getting strict, and yeah, they have the right to do that. But I just noticed this, so I'm going to recommend that if you're going to do these deals, just don't use the coupon because you don't want to get in trouble. So with the Ibotta app, there's a very similar $2 rebate. So it's either you use the coupon or you get the Ibotta money. So it is to buy this guy for $2.97, get back a $2 rebate. So it shakes it out to 97 cents. A lot of you must be like, you're out of your mind. But I'm working with $15 of bonus rebates. So that's why it was very advantageous for me to toss it in the basket. And here it is at the store. Okay, so this next deal is kind of outside of the box. Now, when I was at the store, there was an associate stacking shelves, and I noticed this box was there. And sometimes when you see a display box, or if they have them out, because I was buying 5 of them, it's always okay to just ask the employees, like, hey, can I grab the box? Is that fine? A lot of stores allow it. Some stores don't, so it's always cool to ask. So I got 5 altogether, which was $4.85. They're 97 cents a pop. And there's a $2 rebate when you buy 5 on Ibotta, so it drops it down to $2.85. So it's there, it's not like the greatest big bonanza deal, but at least I'm not buying 6. And again, that manufacturer coupon had that very strict verbiage of excluding it with rebates. So for this one, I just said, you know what, I'm going to take a pass. This next deal is with the Suave Professional Men's Shampoo. I just grabbed one of these. So this guy was $1.83, and I didn't have a coupon for it, but Shopkick's giving back 400 points, which is basically $1.60. And Checkout 51's giving back $2 for a Suave Professional Shampoo. I know a lot of you have been scoring the tinier 3-ounce bottles, because I think the 2 ounce is excluded, but they don't say anything about that 3-ounce bottle. I purposefully didn't do it, and here's why. For whatever reason, my Checkout 51 account, they will sit on receipts for up to 5 days to verify them. So I think somebody manually goes in and checks all of my receipts. So I just didn't want anything for them to be like, we're closing your account down, or for them to get extra strict with me. So I just went with this one. And if it resets with Shopkick and then Checkout 51, if that rebate's still there, I will just continue to do it. So anyhow, it made it free plus a $1.77 moneymaker after everything is said and done. Okay, so this deal I obviously had to do over a couple of days because the hang tag coupon says that you can only use 2 because it's a Unilever product. So these little sauces, I grabbed 1 of each, and they are from Hellmann's. It's a new summer sauce. You can use it with anything, like a sandwich or even like a dipping sauce. They are pretty good. So they are $3.47 each. We have a $2 hang tag coupon. It drops it down to $1.47. And Ibotta's giving back a $1 rebate, so it knocks these guys down to 47 cents each. Now, I was really trying hard to finish, 14 rebates. So 5 of them with these sauces, that's just absolutely fantastic. And find these hang tags over at Walmart. That one's alive. Another Hellmann's product that I bought was this mayonnaise. It was $3.77. My husband's very particular with the mayonnaise that he consumes, but he really likes the Hellmann's mayo. Ibotta had a 50-cent rebate, making it $3.27. And the purchase of all these Hellmann's products, guys, I think Fetch gave me just under 200 points for that, so that was really fantastic. Okay, now we have the Frosted Flakes. This guy is $3.64. Ibotta had a free item. So you buy this, you pay the $3.64, and then they'll give you back $3.64 on the nose. The limit for this was once for my account, which was really great. The last time they had this a couple weeks back, you could do it up to 5 times. And I think it was alive on the rebate app for like 4 hours, and then it vanished for a lot of people who bought it, and it was just quite the headachy. But mine was only a limit of 1. Now, a lot of people absolutely can't find this in the store, and they're like, bleh, and I get it. I found a whole bunch of these on an end cap. So what an end cap is the end of the aisle. They have a display near the cereal aisle, and that's where they were all there, and there was a ton of them. So, and this is valid for a really long time. I'm obviously not gonna eat till next year, actually. So I'm either gonna donate this, or, you know, family members just give it to them, because it's kind of like a kid cereal, and it just looks like it would hurt my teeth, but happy to get one. Okay, the next deal is with the Pillsbury brownies. I bought some brownie mix a couple days ago and made a tray for my husband. He loved it. So I got some more, and this was a favorite of his, this with a little bit of walnuts. I offered to make these with some pumpkin puree. I thought that would give it a really good kick. And he's like, don't change the recipe. So we're gonna just stick with the regular recipe and just put walnuts in there. I don't want any trouble. These are $1.12 a piece. So for 2 of them, that's $2.24. 50-cent Ibotta rebate when you buy 2 of them. So that's $1.74 for the 2, or 87 cents per box. Not the greatest savings, but you know, 87 cents is a lot cheaper than even, you know, like when they have the dollar event at Meijer. And it's always the Duncan Hines. It's never Pillsbury, which is kind of curious whenever they have, like, you know, baked these little, you know, things that are for baking. It's always a different brand. It's never Pillsbury. So anyhow, it's always good to have this around. Okay, the next deal, again, I did this over 2 different shopping trips. Ibotta's giving back $1 for this. So find this in the international food section where they have the Asian food. This is the Japanese green tea, original unsweetened green tea, and then the jasmine green tea. So these guys are both $1.62. There is a $1 rebate on Ibotta, making it 62 cents. I did try this one, and it was really quenching. So I really like these drinks. They're quite nice. So just to talk about the Ibotta haul that I did here, so this was just kind of like a Frankenstein one. I got my $5 bonus. It was like, finish so many rebates, get the bonus. And then I finished half of my, you know, get 30, get back 10, so that worked out well for me. So after everything was said and done with that little $5 bonus, and then all the rebates I got back from the different apps, Ibotta being the biggest one, this was a $3.07 haul after everything was said and done. So like, I'm totally fine with that. And I also got back 200 points from Fetch for the purchase of all these little mayonnaises and like Hellmann's products. So I'm fine with that as well. Like, what a fantastic little haul. And the last thing I want to talk about, if you are in search of different hand sanitizers, I found this in the travel section, and these are 97 cents each, and it's 3 fluid ounces. I think there's a couple by Suave where it's like 8 fluid ounces for like, you know, $3.97 or more expensive, but this is, I mean, this is pretty good, and it's inexpensive, and it's a travel section one. You could throw this in your purse. I know my mom wanted a bunch of these small ones, so like, how fantastic is that? So as always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and happy Ibotta shopping out there. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!